Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete your account on Telegram on PC. Let's go through the steps together. To begin the account deletion process, open your web browser and navigate to my.telegram.org. Deactivate. Once on the website, locate the Your Phone Number field and enter your phone number with the country code that starts with a plus sign. Ensure that this number matches the one linked to your Telegram account. Click on the blue Next button to receive a confirmation code via SMS to your phone. Enter the confirmation code you received into the confirmation code field on the website. Click on the blue Sign In button. If the confirmation code is correct, you will be directed to the Delete Your Account page. On the Delete Your Account page, scroll down and click the blue Done button to finalize the account deletion process. Your Telegram account will be permanently deleted. By following these steps, you can easily delete your account on Telegram while using it on your PC. Take control of your online presence and privacy by deleting your account when needed. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the account deletion process on Telegram.